Natural disasters can strike at any time, leaving communities devastated and struggling to survive. But in the face of adversity, communities can come together to support one another. This is the untold story of the Bhola Cyclone that struck Bangladesh in 1970. The cyclone hit the coastal region of East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, on November 12, 1970. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in history, killing between 300,000 to 500,000 people. The disaster destroyed homes, infrastructure, and crops, leaving survivors without food, water, shelter, or medical care. But amidst the devastation, the people of Bangladesh came together to help each other in any way they could. They formed rescue teams and makeshift shelters, shared whatever resources they had, and provided medical assistance to the injured. The disaster brought people from different communities and religious backgrounds together, and they worked tirelessly to rebuild their lives and their country. Women cooked food for the community, using whatever ingredients they had. People volunteered to distribute food and water to those in need. Men worked together to rebuild homes, schools, and hospitals. Communities came together, regardless of their background or religion, to support each other and rebuild their lives. Medical staff worked around the clock to treat the injured and provide medical care to those in need. People walked miles to reach their loved ones and offer them support. They did not let the disaster break their spirit or their sense of community. The untold story of the Bhola Cyclone is a testament to the power of human compassion and solidarity in the face of adversity. It is a story of a community that banded together to survive a natural disaster, and it serves as an inspiration to us all. The people of Bangladesh showed incredible resilience and resourcefulness in the face of adversity. They worked together to rebuild their homes and communities, and the disaster brought out the best in people. If you found this video inspiring, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more inspiring stories and content that promote compassion, resilience, and community. Let us come together across boundaries of race, religion, and nationality to build a better world for all. Thank you again for watching and for your commitment to making a positive difference in the world.